All right, I've got something really cool for you today. This is Buried Profits AI. You're going to be able to find dead domains for just $11 each. AI turns them into money. I've done it 5 different ways. So there's 5 different ways to make money from this. And this is from Depapa or Demetrius from Warrior Plus. I can come over here and just show you. He is one of the top, right over here, a top 5 vendor, top 1 affiliate, top 1% affiliate, elite vendor, all the plaques. And he's got 32,000 sales and a 4-star rating. And so he's one of the vendors that I'm willing to put on this channel and actually review from a Warrior Plus standpoint. I don't like to do a whole lot of Warrior Plus products on this, but I know that you guys are very interested in AI. You're very interested in building websites and vibe coding. And I know in the past when there's been anything that has to do with like domain flipping, I just call this domain flipping. It's not really a new concept, by the way, but this is really good because it's an updated course and technique for 2026. And I know about domain flipping, and I'm sure you've heard of it and maybe done it before too. But he has different take on it, different tools to use, and he has case studies, shows you how he bought an $11 domain and sold it automatically for $100. So he 10x'd his profit, and then he also purchased an $11 domain and then went and built a website using AI, and then went and sold it for $500 on Flippa, right? So this is a real business model, and I know that you guys like website building, you like AI tools, and you, in the past when I've talked about domain flipping before, a couple years ago, you guys really liked that as well. And so this is a great business model that you would put together your knowledge and use of AI tools, like Lovable and Cursor, Bolt, Replit, Base44, Flute, all kinds of those, right? So like you can pick your tool to use to create these websites very fast and so forth. And then there's a lot of different techniques we can use to get traffic to them and everything, and then go and make them valuable and make them and go and sell. So this is enough on the sales page. There's a lot to cover, but it really shows you all kinds of stuff and just leads off by proof on how to do all this stuff right there. Okay. But before I jump in and actually show you inside, right over here, I'm going to show you, I'm intentionally on this bonus section. Anyone that purchases the front end is going to get access to these bonuses right here, but I have way, way better bonuses. And then there's some people that are going to be emailing you about their bonus, but no one's going to even come close to the bonus that I've created right over here. I'm actually going to show you this right here. I literally just change this to normal speed so you can see that this is a 28-minute. So basically a 30-minute exclusive training video that is literally, I just created today. So never given this bonus out before. And it's specific for Buried Profits right here, Buried Profits AI. Okay. So just letting you guys, so that is the unique bonus that you will get if you purchase even just the front end on this. Now, I will say, I'm going to go over these as well. You have to purchase the front end in order to unlock the VIP. And then there's a VIP that you can get right here, and it's going to be $197. And you're going to save a little bit of money. You're going to save like $35 or something like that. So it's not like a major savings, but this gives you all the one-time offers right over here. And I'll just kind of scroll through them real quick. For you affiliate site prompt vault, Domain Hunter AI. That's probably a software that will find the domains for you. Domain Forge, AI power tool. And then the AI Domain Empire Suite right there. You will have the option to upgrade and get all these and save a little bit of money. Now, remember, this is like a complete business in a box where you actually could turn this into a real business model, making real money. There will be a learning curve and a learning phase, and you may buy some domains and they don't work out or something like that. But the way that I look at it is, let's say you turn this into like $3,000 a month, and maybe you bought $200 worth of domains. So profit margin on that, right? So you would take $3,000 and you would subtract $200 worth of domains, which would be like 20 domains, by the way. And you're still going to have a $2,800 profit, right? And your profit margin's still like 85, 90% or something. It's amazing, right? And so you have to be willing to take a chance, buy the domains and go for it. You can't just sit in analysis paralysis the entire time. Just giving you that quick tip. But you can see, so this is what the course will look like. Your overview and proof, finding your gold, validating your domains. It's got everything in here. Rebuilding your found gold, find your links to become an affiliate, finalizing your foundation, like setting up your social, how to get traffic from social media, site audit, passive income right there, bonuses, flipping for gold. Like there's several of these videos in here as well that are like, they're very long. Like this is a 17-minute video. And then you come down here and then you have another video right there. A lot of training on every single one of these pages right here as well. So like it's a full-blown course, right? It's going to go with the overview, kind of explain what the concept is right over here, has a lot of information and guides underneath each video as well. So a lot of effort went into the course. And you have this where he teaches you exactly how to find the right expired domains using expireddomains.net, what filters to put on, how to do that. That's a 16 minute training right there. And then there's, multiple videos. There's an 8-minute video. So I'm estimating it's about a 2-hour course probably. So kind of the final thing that I'll say about the course is that after taking the course, checking it out, understanding the business concept, the money making potential behind this, using AI tools, doing research, finding these expired domains, and then also there's several ways that you can make this into a business, not just flipping on like Flippa, not just flipping them on Sea-Doo and just selling domains. You can also turn these into full-fledged websites, affiliate websites, or Google AdSense websites. There's a lot of things that you can do. The effort that went into the case study, all the videos, and just the course in general, it's definitely one of those courses that feels like a $97 up to $297 course just for the front end. So it's a really, really good course, complete product. Definitely recommend this product. I want to go over bonuses that I put together, right? Here's the bonus pack that I put together for this training. So I have this exclusive training. You'll be able to click this button here and it will take you to that video where I have the actual video right there. The 30-minute training video where I take this to a whole nother level and apply my business acumen and knowledge to this business concept. And it just gives you a lot more idea on how to just take this and run with it right away. And so that's what you're going to get with that video training, a 30-minute training. But then also there's a master prompt. You'll click on this button here and it will take you over to this right over here. It'll take you to this master prompt, and I've obviously blacked out most of it, but you'll just see it's very in-depth. I spent 2 hours on this morning before getting this video completed because I wanted this to be the best bonus that anyone is going to offer during this launch, this Buried Profits AI launch. And so you can come over here and see that I'm telling you step 1, do this. Step 2, use this prompt. Step 3, here's the master prompt that you're going to plug in to get your amazing AI website created. And I'll just show you right here. Here's one of the sites that I created in that bonus training. You'll be able to see this beautiful website that was just created. I take you from start to finish on researching a niche, researching the perfect keyword, and then going and finding a domain. And then we go and build out a website using AI. And you can see over here, all these are functioning pages and everything. And this was created in like 10 minutes, which is just nuts. Okay. So that's the bonus that you get right here. The exclusive part is all right here. And then I'm also giving you 6 bonuses right here. Domain flip fast start checklist, an AI prompt pack domain due diligence, 25 copy paste prompts for ChatGPT or Claude, research, listings, outreach, monetization, and more. All you have to do is just click on one of these right there, and then it'll download. They're in PDF format. The domain profit Rolodex, niche domain gold mine list, outreach script swipe file. So you can actually outreach to people trying to sell your websites as well if you want to do that. You could even hire someone to go do the work for you. And then 30-day first flip action plan. And these are additional bonuses, exclusive bonuses for top affiliates that Depapa gave to me to give to you. So if you purchase this from another affiliate, you most likely won't get these 6 bonuses right here. And remember, those bonuses are not the bonuses that are right over here inside the training. Those bonuses are not these bonuses. These 3 everyone gets, right? But these bonuses that I'm giving you right here are exclusive bonuses that Demetrius gave to me to give to you guys. Okay, so that's my bonuses right there. I'm just going to end the video right there, guys. This is Buried Profits. I know many of you are still like looking for, my audience. I have a large audience as far as many of you just like software. And I get that. A percentage of you want to use the software that I'm reviewing and put that to use into building your own business. So I know that many of you are also, entrepreneurs and searching for that way to make money online. I really try to only bring ones that are realistic, that you actually could build a real business around. None of this happens overnight. I do believe, so one of the other really great business opportunities, I think, is like the book building, right? Like creating ebooks and selling them on Amazon. But that, just being completely honest with you, it is a slow process. People that have been doing it for months, they're just hitting the $1,000 mark and things like that, right? So it's not something, you're just not going to get rich selling ebooks on Amazon. You can create a really nice side hustle, and few people will bring that to $10,000 plus per month. And those are going to be people that really take it to the next level, probably running ads and get really good at running ads and all that. Now, I bring that up to say that, okay, so what I really like about this and most of my audience, as far as like this opportunity for most of my audience is what I mean, is that this has to do with creating websites using AI. That is in 2026, right? This has to do with being able to find a domain, an expired domain, and research it and find a good one, purchase it. You can just focus on domain flipping and selling them on the platform that they go over in the course. That's called Sea-Doo or something like that. You can buy domains for $11 and sell them for $100, sell them for $300, sell them for $500, and then that could be your business. But you could take it to another level, right? And create the website and do all the work, and maybe turn on Pinterest, get some traffic going to it and all that, or find domains that already have traffic, and it measures traffic. It will actually, you can find domains that have a lot of traffic going to them already. Find those ones. Create really good websites, put them up on Flippa, and you could sell them for $1,000. So you could spend, 2 hours building out a website and going out and building out a Pinterest thing, and then you could go out and actually say, yeah, we've got we've got social media on this. It's got this much traffic, blah, blah, blah. You could sell it for $1,000 plus on an $11 domain, right? So this is a real business opportunity. I think that it is something that's realistic. If for those that take this and see the opportunity and actually run, I think this is a great business opportunity. So remember to get my exclusive bonuses, 30-minute training, all the prompts that I created right here, plus these 6 exclusive bonuses. I'd love to have you as a customer of Varied Profits AI. Thank you guys so much. Leave comments below. What do you guys think about this product and this business opportunity? People are doing it. Whether you leave a comment and you're like, this is another trash product, right? I can't wait for the first comment for that. That's great. And this isn't for you. But I took the training, and they literally, the guy that created this training literally didn't know what he was doing and went out there and made like $600 from $20. $20, that's 2 domains at $11, and went out and sold one site for $500 and then flipped the other one for like $100, right? And he didn't even know what he was doing. Imagine if you pick this concept up and then you spend months on this. Imagine where you could be in 6 months. You could be making steady income per month. So I do think this is a great opportunity for those that are looking for a real business opportunity, something that they can grab a hold of, learn, and get really good at, and start building that business for themselves on. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.